Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team here.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video on AB's channel. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to rebuild my Madden team, which, as you can see, has been sold. You can't sell the Jerry Rice and the Rob Gronkowski, so I'm going to keep them in. The defense, I just have this Ray Lewis, which is basically silver, but it's elite for some reason. It's a 66 overall. We got 3 million coins. Obviously, we're probably not gonna use that much. So I do have some leftover players. This I got from our flashback. Guess who? Alright. So what you want to do is you want to get 83s or better. So what I'm gonna do? Oh, and so first you want players that boost your stats. So I'm gonna look at this 81 Mohamed Sanu. I'm gonna see if I can get that for 3,000. Okay, it's more expensive now. 5,000. Okay. Okay, that's a good price. So, we'll put him in. See, he boosts himself to an 83. Alright, so, we'll do that. You know what, just go ahead and do that. So, as you can see, this Velder, it's usually an 85, but it's an 83, thanks to the Hamid Sanu. Same with Jason McCourty. And this Michael Brokers is actually an 83. So that helps. So let's do our offense first. So we'll need an offensive line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search 83. And before this I already looked. I couldn't find any 84s. So we already got the Velder. They're probably just looking for one that has good stats. Because they have good stats, they'll boost easier. Let's see, that Vikings player looked good. We'll get him. Where'd he go? There you go. Let's get Phil. Phil Holt. Okay, we'll put Phil in. Phil's also an 85. Okay, so now we need 2 guards and a center. Let's see if there's any 84 guards that go for 3K. Okay, there's some. Let's see if we can get them for 3,500. Okay, there's an Orlando Franklin. Maybe 750. No, okay, so we'll go back to 3K and we'll just go down to 83 overall. You know, I think I'm searching a little bit too expensive. I'll go 250. Okay, there's a nice drawing Greco available for 2K. That's good. Okay, so we put those guys in. Okay, so the Greco's an 84. Like I said, his stats weren't that great, but since he was 2K, I bought him. So that's probably why he's only an 84. Orlando Franklin, he's an 86.
You guys need a shower?
Yeah.
Connor, make sure you clean up.
So, I'm gonna see if there's an 84 center. Okay, there's a Ryan Cahill. Khalil. How do you say that? I'll see if I can get that for... Okay. Okay, I really want to buy... Okay, so he's expensive. Just go back down to what we've been doing, 250. We'll go down to 83. Wow, is there not an 83? Let's get one of these guys. That's alright. That did some good blocking, that Chris Myers. Okay, we'll get Corey Lindsley. He's an 84. So that's an 84 offense. Oh, we still need a quarterback and a receiver, tight end. So we'll look. Receiver, tight end, quarterback. Yeah, I didn't expect one for 2,500. Okay, so there's a Cameron, a Macklin, Alshon Jeffrey, Mike Evans. All these guys are kind of slow. Okay, Max Williams, that's some nice stats. We'll get him. So now what do we need, Connor? Connor's over here, guys.
Hi guys. Quarterback, I guess. There is an 84 Case Keenum, I believe.
Okay.
Quarterback.
Well, we don't see that, so we'll go.
And a team of the week.
There's no 83. Yeah, where are those guys? Okay, we'll go to an 82. 82 Fitzpatrick, I saw that. Flacco. Tana. Yeah, Fitzpatrick's throwing stats are good, but Flacco looks like the option. Okay, so that's an 86 offense. So now, you know what? We need to get rid of these two right here. Okay, so Connor, do you know if there's any 84s running backs? 84 running backs?
I'm trying to think. 84 running backs. I'm trying to think. I think there is some. I'll look real quick.
Okay, guys, there is.
There is no 84.
I don't see any. So we'll go back down to our.
There is some 83 Jeremy Hills and Ahmad Bradshaw, Joe McKnight. There's a lot of 83s.
Okay, so we just got the only LeSean McCoy. And we'll probably get the 84. Probably get an 84 fullback.
Yeah, there's Daryl Young, Henry Hnuski, Marcel Reese.
Fullbacks are cheap, guys. I'm like, fullbacks.
Oh, there's also a
You can.
Stanley Havili.
Okay.
Player, so.
Reese clearly has the best stats. We'll get a cheap one. Let's see what that does to the offense. Boom, 87 offense. Let's go.
78, that's pretty good. 99 Gronk, that's sick.
Okay, so defensively, hey Connor, go on my team real fast on your iPad. Go over here. Okay, so we'll do our D line first. Everything, but we only need one defensive tackle. Okay, I actually had that. What was it? Okay. Oh, wow. So that must have been a snipe. See if we can pick up any for 3,500.
There's some good 84 defensive tackles if you need some. There's
Yeah.
Brandon Williams, Sheriff Floyd, Dan Williams,
We couldn't find any on here,
Dominic Easley, and Akeem Nicks. Oh, and Devon Still. There's a lot of them.
Okay, guys, so let's go a little bit. Okay, so get the Everson Griffin. Oh, wow, these are the ones available. I'll go ahead and get that. Oh, never mind. Why did I do that? So what did I get? I got an end, so I need another end.
Yeah, you got Damon Harrison as your.
That looks nice. The Andre Branch. We'll get Andre Branch.
Oh, yeah, that's an Allen Branch. He's pretty good.
Andre Branch. Okay, so update that roster. 78. They're all 84s. Let's go. Connor, go on my team real fast. Yeah. Okay, guys. So Connor's got my team pulled up on his iPad. So I need one
Looks like
safety.
You need a safety, 2 middle linebackers.
One safety and 3 corners.
Oh, you don't even.
Yeah, I'm looking
You have
at
a silver Will Allen, 73 Ray Lewis, and a 68 Casey Matthews.
Okay. Okay, so that's what I thought. I didn't think there was any 83s. So I'm gonna go a little bit faster here. Going in depth, that looks like that's good. When they're all greens, just take it. So what was he? So we don't have to worry about corners anymore.
Jimmy Smith's dad.
Jimmy Smith's a beast. Nah.
Ooh, he's pretty fast though. He's good.
Already got that one. I had his what was it? MVP card?
Captain.
Captain, yeah. So we'll get Jonathan Joseph. Oh, don't send a gift. Don't send a gift, man. No, if you do want to join our league, I'll show you our league, AB's channel. Right now, we're gonna win this tournament because I'm gonna use most of my drives and come back. So I got about 3 accounts in this league, and
As you can see,
900. We're right 952nd. So join our league, AB's channel YT. Join it. Connor's in rage like always. It's alright. So what we'll do is go ahead. Alright. So what's wrong? Our linebackers? Oh, only about a few corners. We need about one more. Captain, you're a beast, bro. Okay, unfortunately, Jimmy Smith didn't even boost. Okay, so what is it? Oh, we need all linebackers. It's kind of weird how the uneven they are. Like, there's not many 84s. Okay. Pernell McPhee. What else do we have? Alright. Let's look for some good stats. Oh, that looks good. Lorenzo. He's from Louisville. That's where I live. He's a beast. So is Elvis. Let's get Elvis too. All the Louisville graduates. Well, I don't think they graduated. So we got Sean Lee. Is there any middle linebackers? Okay, so we'll go to 3K. Maybe there. That's what I thought. I was thinking there's only 84s. Okay, so we either get the Steven Tulich or the Kaio Messi. Kaio's got better stats. So let's see what damage that does. So our defense didn't. Oh, okay, we're missing special. Okay, I don't think there's an 80. I don't believe that there. I don't think there's an 84 kick returner. Okay, so we'll go. Alright. That's all greens. Curly's all greens. 84 speed. 83. Anybody else? Codwell. Oh, Huff. He's good. Alright, now we need a punt returner. And, a punt returner. That should end our video. Alright, let's see what that does. Okay, guys, so 84 overall. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment.